More than 100,000 Russian soldiers are killed or wounded in Ukraine war, said General Milley, chairman of the Joint Chiefs. Speaking at Economic Club of New York, Milley called Russia's invasion a tremendous strategic mistake for which the country would pay for years and years and years to come. And Bloomberg is reporting that Putin will skip the next G20 summit to avoid potential confrontation with world leaders, citing its sources. While in Ukraine, his counterpart, the President Zelensky, said that a total of 41 settlements were liberated in the south of the country in just one day. People's Deputy Roman Kostenko says Mykolaiv Oblast is now fully under the Ukrainian army's control. Liberation of Snegurivka.
Листопада 2022 року було звільнено населений пункт Снігурівка силами 131-го окремого розвідувального батальйону. Слава Україні! Героям слава!
Local residents of Pavlovka, Mykolaiv region welcome the Ukrainian defenders. Bobrovyi Kut and Yevenivka, on the border of Mykolaiv and Kherson regions also liberated by Ukrainian soldiers.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.